Hi everyone. So earlier I explained how you can use a organization policy to protect your user from the key creation. So now I'm going to start how you can use a organization policy to restrict the location to deploy their projects. So let me just show you. So the scenario is I want to just protect my user to deploy their project only the my location because I am belonging from the US and I want to give the access the user only deploy the project only the US location, not any other location. So right now, let me just show you this user currently I'm using as a secondary means this user I have given the access of editor means this user can access of my entire project GCP data engineering. So let me just show you. So he can just use, let me just show you compute engine and I want to deploy one VM instance. So VM instances, let me just show you, create instances. So you will just see here, the user can deploy the project other locations, means US, South, North America, South America, Europe, as well as Asia Pacific and others also, Africa also. So I want to restrict the user only user can deploy their projects only the US location. So how you can use it? So it would be possible using the organization policy. So for the access of the organization policy, I already explained like it would be only possible when you have the access of organization level. Free account, it won't be work. So please don't try with free account. So it is important for everyone who is working as an organization level. So let me just show you how it is possible. So right now it is showing all the location. I want to just restrict other location, only want US location. So how it is possible? So let me just go back and again I want to just go with IAM. I am an admin. Sorry, I am in a different account. Let me just go with our main account and I under the IAM, you will find out organization policy and just type its location and enter. After you will find out two policies inactive. So one I need to active Google Cloud Platform resource location restrictions. This policy I need to active on the organization level. So when you will create any policy from the organization level, so it would be applicable your project as well as folder. Means it would be an inherit with organization, folder and project. So it would be applicable all the projects inside the organization. So let me just show you. So I'm making this organization level and after manage policy and override policy and here you will find out rule. So add a rule. In rule you will find out right now allow all, but we need custom. In custom we need deny. So how you can make it? Suppose I want to US one. So you can just find out in US locations. So it will find out, it will restrict all the US location. Let me just put it. If you want another location, so here you will find out Asia or something like in US East one. So this is the way you can just use it. Asia one, like East one, Europe one, like this type of, you can just change it. So after done, so it deny with, let me just change it because we denied it. We need to allow it. So it will allow only the US location and it will deny only other location. So Right now the condition is allow only the US location and set policy. So in US location, you will find out all the US location only user can deploy their projects. So all the US location it will show here, and let me just refresh it, our main account, and you will find out it will inherit to all the projects inside the organization. Yeah, you will find out. So let me just go with this user, and in we were just creating compute engine and VM instances. And earlier we were able to create our different location, project deploy on different location. Now we will just check it, create instances, and now let me just, it is showing right now all. Let me just refresh it. So after refreshing, it will only allow, earlier it was allowing to Europe, Asia, Asia Pacific. So right now it will allow only the US region because of we restricted other location. We want user to deploy only the uh, their projects only the US region. So as a high security, so right now you are able to see using the organization policy, this will be possible. So there are several organization policy you can use it to make this type of things. Here you will find out inactive, inactive. So inactive, there are several policy. You can just make active and make organization policy. Yeah, lots of like 177 total currently is inactive. We can just active it and make the organization policy. Thank you so much. I hope you understood the things. If you haven't, you can just comment down. I will just reply your comment. Thank you so much.